Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Do you struggle using pieces of ephemera that you made? How are you going to use this in a journal? How are you going to decorate the page? What do you do besides just gluing them on? Well, this video is just what you're looking for. We're going to be taking our pieces of ephemera and we're going to be decorating our journal page. Let's craft together. We haven't used this style of ephemera yet while decorating our journal. So I thought we would use this one on this blue page. I think it looks lovely. I'm going to need to bring in my book opener. It's just going to help me just a little bit because, well, our journal's becoming quite full. I'm thinking I'd like to place this over to the edge of the page. Maybe leaving this area in which you can journal on. I also have a little bit of lace here, and it's quite frayed on one side. I think it was removed from a garment of some sort. And I'm thinking I'd like to place this either on the bottom of my page or possibly on the side. I also have some beautiful gold trim that I think I want to add on top of that lace right here. And that's because, well, I think this lace, mimics the lace on the bottom of her dress. Because we use gold hole savers, I thought we could tie that in with a little bit of this gold trim. So let's get this glued down. I'm laying my lace on so that quite a bit of the lace is going to stick over the edge of the page. So as I'm looking at this piece of ephemera on my page here, I think I'd like to further accent it with some of this trim that has little pearls along the edge. I just think this picture of this woman that's dressed in such fancy clothing deserves a page that has a little bit of glitz to it. So I'm loving how that is looking. I could actually take this little piece of ephemera and glue it on the ends and make a belly band so that I have another area in which I could stick some pieces of ephemera. So I think I'll go ahead and glue it in the middle as opposed to the side like I was thinking. I found a beautiful heart that I had put glitter around the edge. Well, how perfect is that to use this heart as a piece of ephemera stuck in that belly band. Tracing paper page, and we have another envelope. So for this one, I have an altered paper clip, the one we made with a little tuck spot. So I'm going to pop this on to my envelope like this. And then on this side, I'm going to pop in a tag. We made these tags as a collage, and I went ahead and finished decorating them with a label, a button, butterfly, and some lace. I'll just let it stick out like this. I think that's perfectly fine. And then you're able to journal right here. The second tag, I will stick right into the pocket. So now we have a beautiful yellow page. We have this piece of ephemera that we made together with the 1, 2, 3, 4 tuck spots. And I thought that color went beautiful on there. Now we need to do just a little bit more decorating here. For this one, I have some beautiful lace that I've kind of trimmed around. And I think it would be lovely to put it here on the bottom of this piece of ephemera. I also have some pretty brown lace, and maybe if we accent the edge of the page with this lace. I'm going to glue this piece of ephemera completely down onto my page. And maybe we should add just a little stamping back behind. Now this time I'm going to switch to my Stays On Timber Brown. I don't think I want it quite so severe with the jet black. And once again, just here and there. I don't want full coverage. I do think that breaks up that bright yellow just a little bit more. First, I'll glue my piece of ephemera onto my page. Then I'll take my brown lace and I'll edge my page, I think only on the side and the bottom. And next will come this piece right here. Oh, I think that is looking gorgeous. I finished it off by adding some more gold flatback pearls. We have another yellow page on the back side. What do we want to do for this one? We haven't used those secret hidden journaling spot pieces of ephemera yet. I think this one will be beautiful right there on that yellow page. I've placed my little book under another little book, hoping that I can keep it a little straighter so that I can show you what I'm doing. So as I was looking at this piece of ephemera on the page, I decided that I would accent this pink rose here using these large roses. I'm going to place them around the edge of this piece of ephemera. Maybe something like that. If I can hold all this together. And then use this piece of lace trim to accent the top, or possibly over here on the side might be a better choice, because we're going to be pulling this out. So when we're gluing this, we're only gluing the bottom. If you glue the top, right here's where we cut it. If you glue the top, it won't come out. So you're going to just glue the bottom. That's really important, you guys. So I think how I'm going to do this, I think I want some of these roses to be underneath. And I think I want one to be on the corner, maybe like this. It almost gives it a little bit of a 3D effect. So I'm going to first glue my rose on the top. And then I'll glue the roses underneath, something like that. Remember, you don't want to add any of your decorative pieces on the top part of this tag or this piece of ephemera. Remember, it comes apart. Now we've got that all completed, and I'll bring in my page, and now I'll need to glue down my lace. I'll use that book again. I think that really helped. And I'll use my book weight. I'll glue it on like this. And I'm pretty sure I want to glue some on the bottom as well. And then I can glue my piece of ephemera down all in one piece. Remembering only to glue the bottom section. And then it will come right out as your secret journaling spot. I love that piece of ephemera. I think it's so sweet, and I love it on that page. For this little envelope flap, I thought we could use this piece of ephemera. So it's a tag with another little tiny tag and then a fold down. And you can journal on the back. But this time I thought we could glue partially onto this flap and glue it so we have a tuck spot right here. And that way we can use one of our altered playing cards and we can pop it right in that pocket. I think this little trim will be perfect, but we're not quite there yet. So I'll be adding my glue along this way to make a tuck spot. And then we'll glue this right on. And so this is the back side. While it's drying, we can add this piece of lace right here just for a little accent. I hope you can still see that. Now I think I can pop this in. I think that's a really cute little way to make a pocket. We have 3 pages left, you guys. What do we want to do for this page? I was thinking this one, and that's the one that has the slant tuck pocket and then the pocket as a top loading pocket right here. That pink butterfly goes so perfectly with that flap of that pink envelope. Let's glue down a doily onto our page and then adding our piece of ephemera. Let's glue it down so we have another pocket on the top and add some of this very beautiful sari silk around the edge, which really just pulls it all together. This is how this page has turned out. Oh, I think it's so sweet. I love the green and this very beautiful pink together. I hope that this series is giving you lots of ideas on how you can decorate your journal pages using your pieces of ephemera. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.